Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a video views campaign inside the Reddit ads account. So for this, we can start building out a new campaign. And we're going to switch over to advanced create. And this is going to be for video views. So you can name the campaign appropriately in that manner. Then we are going to choose video views over here. So here we are going to pay for every view. So that is why it is CPV bidding, as you can see over here, cost per view. Okay, and this campaign will optimize for views, trying to get as many views as possible on our video ads. Then we can select our payment method. And if we want to give a campaign spend limit, we can do that as well in this manner. Then we can start giving all the other details. We can define the audience which we want to target over here. Okay, so in this particular section, so you can say, let's say, and then we will get other keywords as well related to that, which we can add over here. In this particular manner, you also have options to choose from community audience, various communities which are there on Reddit, which can be targeted. So we can target from there as well. Other than that, if you want to do custom audience, you can do it in this particular section. And then we come to demographics, where we can choose a demographics. So you can choose a country, city, state, all that will be possible. Devices as well. If you want to customize and target specific devices, you can do that here. And then comes placements. So you can choose auto placements where Reddit is going to show the ads across the Reddit's platform automatically. Or else we can choose manual placements as well. Then we set the budget for the campaign, daily or lifetime budget, and schedule the campaign as well. Lastly, since this is going to be video views, so you can set a bid, how much you want to pay for every view. So that bid you have to set over here. Then we are coming to the ad creation part, where we are going to create the video ad. So here we can choose, okay, the video. In this manner, we can add a custom thumbnail and give our destination URL where people should be taken to. You can see this is how the ad is going to look like to everyone. You can give a call to action button as well. Once the ad is built out, then we can review the whole campaign once, check all the details, and if everything looks fine, we can go ahead and publish this campaign. Publishing the campaign means it goes for a submission to Reddit, and Reddit will check our campaign, it will check our ads. Once the ads are approved, then the campaign can get active and it can run. I hope this makes sense. Everybody understands the complete process now, how we can build out video views campaign on the Reddit ads platform.